Hello all and welcome back to my channel JS Lab. In today's video, we will discuss Python Booleans. Boolean represents one of the two values which is either true or false. So Boolean values or Python Booleans are helpful in during many situations in programming or data analysis. You can evaluate any type of expression in Python and get one of the two answers, true or false. For example, you can compare two values. You'll see that one. Print will print 10 greater than 8, and if you put shift enter run, yes, it gives the output true because 10 is greater than 8. Another example, print 10 equal to 6. It represents false because 10 is not equal to 6. So we can compare two values. Or print 5 less than true. So when you run a condition in an if statement, it returns true or false. So here I am going to write a script using if statement. So here I have written an if statement where I want to compare two numbers. So A is given as 100, B is equal to 56. So here what happens is if A less than B. So here you will get either true or false. If it is true, it will enter to this print. If it is false, then it will go to the else statement. So that is the Boolean will be useful here. Okay. So here we know that A is greater than B. So the else will work and A is greater than B will be displayed. So you can see that A is greater than B. So when you run a condition in an if statement, the Python returns true or false. This can be useful for doing some programming. You can evaluate values and variables using Bool, B-O-O-L function. Bool function. So first we will evaluate a string. Okay. For that we will evaluate a string hello. Put hello and print. Okay, represents true. Or we'll change this hello to a number, an integer 15. It will represent true. Almost any value is evaluated to be true if it has some sort of content. Any string is true except empty string. Okay, so for example, here if I am making an empty string, it will be false. This is an empty string. This is an empty string now. So if I will run, it represents false because this is an empty string. So empty string, except empty string, any string is true. Except 0, any number is true. So if you put 0 here and put enter, it is false. So except 0, any number is true. So any list, tuple, set and dictionary, everything are true except empty ones. So if you put an empty list, empty tuple, empty set, empty dictionary, it will give the output false. Otherwise everything will be true. So we will see some examples which are false. So if you type bool of false, fail, let's see, it will give the output false. Then bool of none, false. Bool of 0 will give false. We have already discussed. Bool of empty string, it will represent false. Then bool of empty, this will represent false. Empty list, empty tuple, then empty list, it will represent false. Then if you make it empty dictionary, if you enter an empty dictionary, then that also empty dictionary will also give the output false. So in this video we just had an introduction about Python Boolean, and Boolean represents one of the values true and false. We have seen some examples. Now in the coming videos we will see how to use these Boolean videos in our programming or in our data analysis problems. If you have any comments or suggestion, please write down in the comment section, and if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel for more videos. We'll see you in the next video. Bye. Thank you.